first grade, we're going to do another set of adding with regrouping, and this time we're going to do 3-digit numbers. So that's going to be numbers in the hundreds place. It's going to have a ones, a tens, and a hundred. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to have 126 plus 248. Remember, when we have more than a 1-digit number, in this case we have a 3-digit number, ones, tens, hundreds, we always start in the ones place. Just like when we did our calendar, we always add our straws in the ones place first. Then when we get 10 of them, we bundle them up, and then we put them in the tens place. And then when we have 10 bundles of tens, that makes 100. We put it over here in the hundreds place. So that's what we're doing when we do 3-digit numbers. So when we're adding with regrouping, that means your sums are going to be more than 10. You're going to have to give to your neighbor. So if you're in the ones place, you're giving to the tens place. If you're in the tens place, you're giving to the hundreds place, and so on and so on. So let's start in our ones place. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. How do we make a 14? Well, it's 1 bundle of tens and 4 ones. So 4 ones and put our bundle of 10 in here. Now remember, you have to add that 1 in there. Don't forget to add that. So we have 1 plus 2 makes 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay? And then now we're going to do 1 plus 2, which equals 3. So we got to make sure that our numbers are lined up. It's a really good idea to make sure when you write your numbers, they're lined up. A lot of times your numbers will already be on your paper, and so they'll already be lined up. But sometimes they might not be the case, so you need to line them up. Ones place to ones place, tens, and then hundreds. Let's do another problem. Let's do a big one, Let's do 649 plus, 529. How about that? That's a big one. So we're going to add our ones place first. What's in our ones place? Well, 9 plus 9. So let's go ahead and add 9 plus 9. So double fact, 9 plus 9, 18. How do we write 18? Well, it's a bundle of tens and 8 ones. So 8 goes down here, 1 goes up here. So now we need to add. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is, 7. Good job. Or if you wanted to do 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 4 is 7, that's fine. Still going to get the same answer. Next, we have 6 plus 5. How much is 6 plus 5? 11. So we go like this. 11. Now, watch what we do. So we have ones, tens, hundreds. In order to separate our hundreds and our thousands, we need to put a comma. That shows that it's in between thousands and hundreds. So this answer was a big one. 1,178. Wow, good job, boys and girls. You did a number in the thousands place. The sum. Good job. So again, remember when you're adding with regrouping, adding no matter what numbers you're adding, make sure you line up the ones place, line up the tens place, line up the hundreds place, and then add it and do your very best adding. And don't forget, when you regroup, if your number is bigger than 10 and you're giving to your tens, or if you're giving to your hundreds, then you need to make sure that you add those numbers too, because those numbers count. Got to add those all together. So I hope that helped you with adding with regrouping. You did a great job adding 3 numbers. You might need to try 4 numbers. Can you imagine adding in the thousands? That's what 2nd grade does. They do. Maybe next video we'll do it. All right, bye 1st grade.